Let's create a mountain shape crane hook with the help of SolidWorks surface. Okay. Now see, we will create this hook in multiple parts. The upper one we will create at the end. See the center one, 200 diameter we will create first. Then we will create this crane shape, then middle portion. Later we will combine all. Okay. Dimensions millimeter, all unspecified fillets are 10 mm, all hole diameters are 20 mm. Let's see, total length 453. Let's make this center one. Diameter you will see here 200 and height 935 minus 453. You will get this. Then create this half crane hook shape. These radius 125, outer radius 270. Then there is a one curve, this curve 330. Here also one curve 330. The upper curve 38.4. Okay, you will see we have to create a circle at both end points. Center distance 772. Distance from here to here 450. 95 the center distance for this. See here 240, this arc to this wall 240 millimeter. Okay, let's see. Once we create this, okay, let's create this first. Top plane sketch, activate circle, and let me create diameter 200 millimeter and apply. I want to add material, so apply extruded boss base feature. Now here let's say equals to 950 minus 453 millimeter. See, not 935, 935. Okay, let me hide so it looks more visible. Now let me select front plane sketch. Let me draw some center line. This end to here. Now let me select line, continue line from here to here. Escape, again press L key and activate one more line. Make sure this line is smart dimension 95 millimeter. Okay, now this line from here to here 450 divided by 2, 225. Center arc, point arc. Start from here. First point, drag. Second point, place here. Similarly, do for this. Start point, first point, drag up to second point. Okay, let's define this first. 125, okay. 270 millimeter. Now let me choose 3-point arc. Draw something like this. Then here draw a half circle. Then one more curve. And the last one connect with this point to this point. Okay. Now, okay, make this point tangent. Okay, this point from here 161. Okay. Select this point to this point. .4 millimeter. Okay. Now distance, hold shift key, select distance and select this one. No, not this one. Let's select this point to here. 772 divided by 2. Okay. Now this looks perfect. Tangent point. Choose here also tangent point. Here also tangent point. Okay. Smart dimension 330. Okay, it looks perfect. Select this outer wall, hold shift key, select this curve, 240 millimeter. Okay, make this point tangent. Look, these drawing seems fully defined. Let's check this radius how much. Okay, delete this point, define this radius 300. .330 millimeter. Okay. Now this is already defined because this is tangent to each other. This is fully defined sketch. Exit. Now let's create see section A. Section A, this is curve 240, bottom also curve 240, but distance this point to point 200, 100 and 240 millimeter and corner radius 40. Now for that we need to create few planes. Choose here plane. Now let me choose first plane, right plane, and select this point, plane 1. Now again I have to choose plane, clear, delete. Now here I am going to choose front plane and select these 2 points because here we need to create circle. Okay. Let's do plane 1 sketch. Select line. Make it construction line. Smart dimension 240 millimeter. 3-point arc. Center point arc. Start point from here. Here. Again start from here, first point, second point. Okay. Now select both the end points and select center line. Symmetric. Also connect. Okay, let me do select midpoint. Fine. Again select these 2 end point and center line. Symmetric relation. Select arc and point, midpoint. Smart dimension 100 millimeter 200 millimeter line. Now let me connect. Okay. Now again activate here fillet, radius 40 millimeters, select all four corners, say okay. Fine. Okay, it's time to now select this point, cancel this one. Now select this point and select this curve. Hold shift key and here relation pierce. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Perfectly fix. Exit. Now let me activate plane 2. Sketch. Activate here circle. Choose here 1, 2, 3 perimeter circle. Now how you can create? Okay, let me select this one point, select other point. Now here you have 2 points, select both the points, coincident. Look, now if you see there are 2 relations. Fine. Exit. Let me hide both the planes. Now let's apply lofted boss base feature. Now here I am going to apply first this, second this circle. Okay, but here we have path. So right click, selection manager, group. Now select this line, okay. Again selection manager, group, select this line, okay. Now see the preview. Now here start point normal, 0 and everything. End point we don't need to apply because end point is going to connect with this sketch. Say okay. Go to insert and come here, feature dome. Select this shape and here apply radius 38.4. Let me choose elliptical dome. Now this looks more practical. Fine. Now we will mirror this, but let's create the center part with the help of SolidWorks surface feature. Select this face, sketch, convert entity. Go to surface, extruded boss base. We need this one for reference purpose. Reverse, keep end condition blind and only 50 millimeter. We need this for reference purpose. Later we will delete this. Say okay. Now let me hide body 2. Now select plane 1. This is plane 1. Sketch. Now let me select these, only this half portion, convert entity, and go to surface, apply extruded surface. Now how long we need to extrude? Now here total 450 millimeter. This is the center distance. Okay. See, center distance 450 millimeter. Now let's come the center part. Center part, see, it looks like this. See, there is a one distance 127.12. This is the segment. Similarly here we have to create this one. Then we will connect and we will do the further. 127. So let's, how you can see, evaluate, measure, select this point, see this 127.12, cancel, select this face, sketch, okay, activate line, again line, and draw one center line. This is for reference purpose. Make sure construction and vertical. Similarly, choose this one, vertical. Okay, before going to apply, let me select both the lines, mirror entity, smart dimension 127.12. This is the length of those lines. Check. Go to split line. I want to split this face. So line already selected, projection, select this face. Say OK. See, this face is splitted. 1, 2, 3. We need this face. Okay. Now let's go to surface. Now here apply lifted surface. Now select this curve, this second curve, this one, and let me show the previous sketch. Show. Now here choose tangent to face, because this curve going to attach with this and this curve going to attach with this. That's why we make this curve. End condition also tangent to face. But we have directions. Right click, selection manager, select group, select this only one. Okay. Look. This seems more practical. Okay. Now I am going to mirror this. So go to feature, mirror, and let me choose the reference plane. I think right plane is suitable. Bodies to mirror, 1, and this reference 2. Now let me hide this sketch. Now see, let's close this body with the help of filled surface. Filled surface. Now I am going to select, start from top 1, select edge only, 2, 3, don't select face, 4, 5 and 6, and you will see. Now the contact between these surfaces, you have to change here tangent, so that we will get a smooth, and here select apply all edges. So we will get a perfect shape. Simply say OK. Look, it seems perfect. Similarly, repeat other side, filled surface. Difficult to choose sometime, but okay. Look, contact, tangent only, apply to all edges, say OK. See, the shape perfectly aligned with this. Okay. Let me do one thing, hide the previous body. Okay. Let me close this body, then we will convert this body into solid body. Now, before going to fill this, let me delete these bodies. Go to delete or keep body, delete body, select these two surfaces. This is for reference, delete it. Now go to surface and use planar surface. I want to fill all 3 edges. So right click on any one edge and here see select tangency. Is it? No. they are not going to select. So let me select. Okay, this is close. Now come here, click one, right click. Okay, before going to go planar surface, I want to right click on one line, select tangency. Still not selected total. See, this is filled. Planar surface. You can select one by one all edges. Okay, see. Now before going to do anything, let me apply some knit surface. Select all these surfaces. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. How many surfaces here? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Let's check anything balance. Okay, this side. Fine. Now create solid. Say okay. Now if you see section view, this is solid body. See? Okay. Now let me show the previous bodies. Show. Now let's mirror this. Go to mirror. Reference plane, right plane, bodies, select this. Okay. Now let me apply. Now let's make the upper part 453, diameter 170, then center diameter 135, and this is 160 into 18 millimeter. Okay. Chamfer, how much? 10 into 45. This is threaded portion. And at middle there is a one step. See, radius 27, center distance 112, 56. These two holes 22, 345, and depth is 6 millimeter. Now let me do one thing. Front plane sketch, activate line tool. Start with mid line. Connect with this line. Make sure this line, construction line. Select this line. Keep diameter 170, 135, and this 160. Okay. Now total length 453 millimeter. Now this length 154, and this is going to be 20. Now apply revolve boss base feature. Due to this construction line profile is open, system asks would you like to close? Say yes. See, by default system took this line as a axis of revolution. Apply angle 360 degree, and here automatically apply merge. So both become one body. See, if revolution. See, this part become one. Later we will combine this. Now here we need to make one hook. So front plane sketch, activate center line. Line. Connect. Okay, let me connect with this. make this line horizontal, or let's define relation. No, select end point and select the middle line. Also no. Now let's define angle first. 56, 56. Distance from here to 345 millimeter. Fillet 27 millimeter. Select this corner. Okay. Apply circle. .22 diameter, and distance from here to here 112. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base. Keep end condition mid plane. I want to flow material both side, and how much? 60 millimeter. Say okay. See, mirror this. Right plane, feature to mirror, feature to mirror. Select this and see the preview. Say okay. Now let me apply. Go to insert, annotations, cosmetic thread. Apply thread here. 160 minus 18 is the pitch, so I'm going to apply this one up to blind. Depth how much? Total 154. Okay. Standard keep none. Front start face this, because if I'm going to choose any standard, this is going to change. Machine thread. See, this is nothing with, so keep none. 160 minus 18. 18 is the pitch, so the minor diameter. Document property detailing, image quality. Okay. See, this is the thread. Chamfer. Keep here angle distance 10 into 45 degree. Okay. Front plane is sketch circle. .55, 22. For center, keep midline. See this line connected to midpoint of this. Extruded cut. I want to remove material. So here choose through all both. Say okay. Now corner there is a fillet. And there is a one unspecified fillet at this point, 10 millimeter. It is not visible here. Fillet 10 millimeter. Select this edge. Even you can select hidden edges. Again apply fillet. This time 5 constant type fillet, symmetry, radius. Select this face, both end. Okay. Now the material is going to apply brass, metal, brass, cast brass. Okay. Revolve surface. chamfer, cut, this one going to apply metal brushed finish. Okay, see, we achieved our result. Even though if you want to combine this all body, let's check what possible. Add show preview and you will see this is your body. Okay, don't forget to share and like our video. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.